Kurt Russell takes on the quest for Godzilla's origins in Monarch trailer in thrilling news for monster movie fans. The legendary city-sized creature known as Godzilla is set to make its small-screen debut in the highly anticipated Apple TV series, Monarch, Legacy of Monsters. After wreaking havoc on the big screen for nearly 70 years, the iconic monster will now embark on a new adventure in the 10-episode series, which is scheduled to premiere on November 17. The newly released trailer for Monarch offers a glimpse into the captivating storyline as it follows the footsteps of Kurt Russell's character, who is determined to uncover the origins of Godzilla. The actor, known for his formidable presence and talent in the action genre, takes on the role of a fearless and tenacious explorer. The series promises to delve deep into the world of monsters, shedding light on the secrets and mysteries surrounding these colossal creatures. As Russell's character sets off on his mission, viewers can expect a thrilling and suspenseful journey that explores the intricate mythology behind Godzilla and other legendary beasts. With top-notch visual effects, Monarch delivers breathtaking scenes of destruction and chaos as the monsters roam the earth. The series aims to capture the epic scale of these creatures and offer an immersive experience for fans who have long been captivated by their sheer power and presence. Monarch, Legacy of Monsters marks the first time viewers will be able to witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of Godzilla on their television screens. Apple TV's venture into the monster genre is undoubtedly a thrilling endeavor, offering a fresh take on the iconic franchise that has enthralled audiences globally for decades. As the premiere date draws nearer, anticipation for Monarch continues to grow. The series promises to provide fans with a deeper understanding of the beloved monster, while also introducing new and exciting facets to the mythology of these extraordinary creatures. With Kurt Russell at the helm, this Apple TV series is poised to become a must-watch for both die-hard fans and newcomers to the monster genre alike.